Urban planning plays a crucial role in shaping the future of a city. One of the key aspects of urban planning is envisioning future city plans using the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to discuss actions that will be completed at a certain point in the future. In the context of urban planning, the future perfect tense is essential for describing the vision for a city and the projected outcomes. One of the most common examples of the future perfect tense in urban planning is the statement, "By 2050, the city will have completed the construction of a new subway system." This sentence indicates that the construction of the subway system will be finished by the year 2050, highlighting the city's commitment to improving transportation infrastructure for its residents. Similarly, urban planners might use the future perfect tense to describe environmental initiatives in a city. For instance, a statement like, "By 2030, the city will have planted 1 million trees to combat air pollution," shows the city's dedication to sustainability and creating a greener environment for its inhabitants. Another example of the future perfect tense in urban planning is related to economic development. A statement such as, "By 2040, the city will have attracted 10 multinational corporations to set up regional headquarters," demonstrates the city's ambition to become a hub for business and innovation, bolstering its economy and creating job opportunities for its residents. Furthermore, urban planners frequently use the future perfect tense to outline infrastructure projects that will enhance the quality of life in a city. For instance, a statement like, "By 2025, the city will have built 5 new parks and recreational facilities to promote community wellness," showcases the city's focus on creating recreational spaces for its residents to enjoy and lead a healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, the future perfect tense plays a vital role in urban planning by articulating the city's future vision and goals. By using the future perfect tense, urban planners can communicate their plans for a city's development and progress, emphasizing the strides that will be made to create a better urban environment for all residents. Ultimately, the future perfect tense empowers urban planners to envision a future city that is sustainable, economically thriving, and socially inclusive.